Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. In this video, we're going to talk about rain caps. So this is a rain cap, or it's actually a furnace cap for a gas furnace, but you can see it's got some hail damage on it. Now when you're doing your roof inspections, you probably have noticed a lot of times these are not replaced. And so there's a couple of reasons why. One, the homeowner doesn't want it replaced and just wants to use that money for something else, to put towards their deductible or whatever. It doesn't matter. As adjusters, we owe for the damage regardless of what the insured does with it. Now the other thing that may be in play is you have a contractor who was supposed to replace them, but they figure, well, the insured's never going to get on the roof, so we're going to just not replace it and keep the money. You may be thinking, since these are not replaced very often, they must be difficult to replace, and they're really not. This particular type, you just pull it out and put a new one on. So here's a picture of just how easy these things are replaced. On this house, this one has hail damage, so I'm replacing it with a new one. So as you can see, they're really not that difficult to replace. Now the one thing that you'll notice is the sizing on these is based upon the pipe it's sitting on. And a lot of times new adjusters get confused and they measure across the top and think, okay, this must be an 8-inch rain cap, or this must be a 8-inch furnace vent. Well, it's not. It actually is sized by the pipe it sits on. So in this case, you're looking at 4 inches. So this is a 4-inch furnace cap or rain cap. They're not difficult to replace. So anyway guys, I hope that video helps. I will see you in the next one.